the Swiss here, expecting it to come down. So what area am I concerned with? Let me try and get back into the flow. The question was, what if I want to get out of one side of the trade early? Well, on interbank, you can simply manage that from down here. Okay, so if I right-click on this actual order, okay, anywhere on the order, doesn't matter if you click this stop loss, the take profit, just anywhere on this order, you can see this little window will pop up, and when you look at your screen, you'll see it'll say modify or delete order. I just paused there to check on my other position here. So if I wanted to manage this order, I could right-click on the trade. You can't see it on the screen here, but I would then select modify or delete order, and then this window would come up, and you can see that here's where I can modify the order. Okay, so this is if I wanted to just change it. I guess you could say the long way. Okay, this would be this, I guess, would be the slow way of doing it. That's what I was trying to say. Let me go ahead and close this out. Now again, come down here, right-click. Now this time I'm going to click on, you might be able to see this in your window, close order. Okay, so if I wanted to exit, now this would be, say the trade has gone off, the deviation was fairly large, and the Swiss has come down, and let's say I've got let's just say 35 pips worth of profit. And it just looks like the market is slowing down. Let me move this up. Let's say it's around a support area like this, and it just can't break through, and it's not going to make the extra 10 pips, I don't think. Well, what I can do is just click on this button here, and it will immediately close the Swiss, and it'll give you the rate. So it'll close it at 2020, which is meaning right there. And you'll see that this rate will change. As the price here changes, the price here will change. Now, is it possible to have to keep this window open right here? And I guess the answer is you could. And what you could do is, if you have your chart over here, you could just move. And if you have two screens, you could move this window over. That is one possibility. But I prefer to keep a cleaner screen than that. So, if I was looking to exit, for example, if the Swiss were moving down and I were looking to exit, what I would rather do is click here, and then click on close order. Because I'm not going to be worried about,